guy by accident. I was trying to get his mouth. We're on these like trike bikes is what they call it, I think. What'd they call it again? Yeah. They're like the transportation of Boracay and they're so fun. I wish I could take this home to Toronto to work. I got a mango passion and then what did you get?
I have no idea.
That's really green.
And these are baby coconut.
Yeah, I really wanted to show you guys so bad. Ready?
Baby
Cheers.
Come with us everywhere from now.
This is what we got. We got these fully loaded fries, which looks so good. And guys, we asked them for like one sandwich cut in half. Holy shit. Just for reference, this is my hand. Like, what? This looks like 2 sandwiches.
It's a normal sandwich size.
For a second. My god, this villa is so pretty. A little area for us to lay down and relax. And then this is our private little patio. They have a little dipping pool with 2 of these little, I don't even know what these are called. Beach chairs. An outdoor shower. We just had to go through like so many rocks to get here, but it's on the other side of our hotel, so like right next to Dini Beach. But yeah, we made it. It's so big.
Big job.
I'm so sleepy. We are at an Italian restaurant right now. Got a pizza and we got risotto coming. Cheers. I just really want to show you guys this view. It is insane. 7 a.m. right now. We have like the top of the hill here and it's just overlooking the beach. Do you hear the roosters? I love them. We also have like our own little jungle. I actually haven't been here. And this is our lower area. That's our dipping pool. We also have some here in case we want to do it overlooking the prettiest view on earth. The hotel also gave us some freshly baked bread and some fruits. And they also said that their coffee here is really good too. I think it was like from the rainforest. And then they gave us some milk and some eggs. So we're gonna make some eggs with butter this morning. And there's like a little sign here that says you might find lizards in here. And it's true because Reedy did find them. I want to see if I can find them and show you guys. They were here yesterday, like right in there. They're so cute. I don't know where they went, but this is a coffee that they gave us. And oh, there's some teas too. What is this? Oh, it's just English breakfast. Also, look at this chandelier. I want this for my house. Like, it's so freaking cute. I love these gas stoves so much. They make food taste better. Guys, Reedy said my eggs, that's a lot of salt.
Bro, it's barely coming out.
It looks like it's coming out from my angle. Oh. These are the glasses, guys. What do we think? I love them. It has like a little knot as well. It's so pretty. I love them.
Pretty cool.
Do you like them?
I love them.
To the beach. We made a new friend, a new bestie. This is Spot, guys. She's the cutest little baby in the whole world. Hi, Spot. Guys, she literally won't leave. And whenever I stop petting her, she just like looks at me and like she's just like, what the hell? Why would you do that? Look at her. You're so sweet. Look at this little guy. We got some sliced pita bread and the fully loaded fries again. These were very good yesterday, so Reedy wanted them again. And then Reedy got a frappe, which he's hiding from you guys. And I got this iced latte too. Second coffee today.
Do you want me to open?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Okay.
This one's sweet.
Which one?
This one. Guys, I feel like I am Violet Soaringale on the parapet. Look at how turquoise this water is, and like the camera's not doing it justice too. Reedy being a great photographer. Look at this viewpoint we found. It's so nice. We found this like really cool spot. I don't even know what it is. We can't get there. I'm not even sure what it is. Reedy said it used to be something that was built here. But yeah, there's no way for us to get there. But it's so cool. There's also so much more like things that way. I think there's also a beach over there. And it looks like that's a cave, like in there. Look at this makeup look. I decided to go with like a sunset look because me and Reedy are going to like, oh my god, guys, this keratin treatment is insane. Anyway, me and Reedy are going to like a sunset viewing spot. So
I'm facing my head at the clouds. I'm waiting for you
to fall down. And it's been raining, it's been pouring. I can't help to let out what I'm feeling when you're touching me. When our bodies meet, it's magic. Every heartbeat feels incomplete without you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Guys, we're having foie gras. What even is that? The plate's really hot. What even is this? It's like gummy.
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I like it. I don't like it. It tastes like fat. I don't like that. It literally tastes like beef fat. You know that fat on the steak, like on the side?
It's
that
liver,
you
man.
cut out?
It's liver.
This is liver? I don't like it. It tastes like fat.
That's why I like it, because it's liver.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.
You know?
Next, foie gras.
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10 for sure, but Reedy likes it. So, what do you rate it?
Like a 6.
Like a 6.
7.
A 7. Oh my god, you really like it.
Yeah, pretty good.
You're so fancy. Look at this guy. Okay, y'all. I'm trying the lobster ravioli now. Wow, these raviolis are pretty thick. Now this is my style. I should have showed you guys when it was pretty, but it's very good. These are big raviolis too.
First, we have here, this is the asinti buok. So this is from Bohol, Philippines. So the salt is composed of sea salt water, and then they cook it together with burnt coconut ashes.
Okay.
So this salt will give you the smoky flavor for your steak.
Okay. Oh, I need to put more weight on this. Ow, fuck.
I'll do it.
No, I'm good. Jesus!
Wait.
We got the fish sliders again because they were so good. And then we got this like Filipino breakfast. I think that's beef. And then some eggs and then some rice. I love these fish sliders. The fish is so fresh and like well cooked. That's so good. That's really good.
Like it's sweet and salty.
Guys, this is amazing. I knew Filipino food was good too because I used to work with a lot of them. But like in the Philippines, it's way better. Oh, he fell. As usual, I'm mixing in this like Australian Gold Skin Tint sunscreen with this tone up one. What color should I do? I'm taking photos with the sunset, so maybe this one. Oh, but this purple is also nice. Maybe I'll do this. And then this bronzer by Say gives like the nicest sun-kissed look. So it's gonna be perfect for sunset. I really hope I can still catch it. I'm running behind. My Rare Beauty highlighter also just like broke in Manila. So I'll have to get a new highlighter. Cause I might just throw this out like here. no point in bringing it back home. I love this glow though. It's so like subtle and nice. It's perfect. Using the new Fleet blush that I got. I want it on the apples of my cheeks. Using this in my waterline to really make the eyes pop. We're at a place right now called D Mall, which is like a little shopping outdoor plaza with restaurants and little stores. It's really nice. I love it. It's very busy. Everything looks so good. We are so hungry. Is it good?
It's delicious.
Yeah? Ooh.
It's huge, man.
Dang, that's big. Mmm. The coconut is very good, but it's warm.
Well, I mean, fresh.
Mmm. Shit's fire. Oh, you didn't put any hot sauce on it? It's good? Is it fresh?
Ceviche next.
This is ceviche. I've never seen it made this way. An interesting concept, ceviche. Okay. This truffle sauce is so good.